Greed has destroyed more trading accounts than bad strategy ever will. On Deriv, one greedy click can wipe out weeks, even months of progress. But here's the twist. Greed isn't always the bad guy. Greed isn't always the villain. Sometimes it is the very thing that pushes you to grow. Today we'll be exploring both sides of greed, the deadly and the powerful, and how to master it before it masters you. Okay? Now, let us be real. In the trading world, unchecked greed is a silent assassin, okay? Here's how it destroys you. Here's basically how greed destroys you. First of all, overtrading. You just made $50, okay? That is really great. But the greed says, let us go for 500. Now you are over leveraging, you are ignoring risk, and you're trading without logic. And then boom, one mistake and it's gone, okay? The second thing is revenge trading. Greed doesn't like losing. So after a loss, you double your next trade to win it back, okay? Because you don't want to lose. But that emotion-fueled decision usually ends up in a disaster, okay? The third thing is ignoring your strategy. You set your take profit and stop loss, but then greed whispers, hold it a bit longer. You hold it, the market reverses, or the bot ends up incurring losses, and then boom, it's gone. The fourth thing is the fear of missing out, or how we summarize it as FOMO. When others are winning, greed makes you jump into setups that you don't understand. All right? It turns patient traders into desperate gamblers. Okay? And the worst part about this is that it happens silently. Greed hides behind excitement until it wrecks your account. Okay? So this is the bad side of greed. Okay? But now let us flip the coin. Greed, when controlled and focused, can actually become your greatest ally. Okay? Now, first of all, greed sparks improvement. That desire for bigger profits can push you to learn price action, test better bots or use bots better, study indicators, study more strategies, and backtest more trades, and thus end up incurring wins. So greed can spark improvement. The second, so you start, as a trader, you start asking better questions. How do I optimize this bot? How do I use the right strategies on this bot? How can I earn consistently? And now that usually ends up leading to growth. All right? The second thing, greed creates vision. It makes you set high goals, okay? $10 per day, $100 per day, and so on, all right? Thus giving you a good passive income and thus leading to full-time freedom. Okay, so it gives you a trading a long-term purpose. Many of us, long-term purpose. The third thing, guys, all right, is greed encourages automation. Many of us use trading bots on Deriv for the desire to earn more, okay? Yeah, the main reason most of us want good trading bots is because you want to earn more. And that is why I say ensure you have a good trading bot. And luckily for you guys, in DerivNavigator Academy, we offer more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents to you so that you have every trading bot and material you ever need. If you need these bots, WhatsApp me, my number is in the description, okay? Now, the desire to earn more with less effort is not laziness, all right? It is smart scalability. You're trying to scale your account while being smart, okay? And the fourth thing, greed builds resilience, okay? You fail today, but you're still hungry to learn. That inner fire, that's the good kind of greed, okay? The kind that builds empires and does not destroy them. Okay? So greed isn't good or bad. It is just energy. If you let it control you, it will burn you. But if you learn to control it, it will fuel your growth. So the question isn't, do I feel greedy? The question is my greed controlled or is it controlling me? All right? Is your greed as a trader controlled or is it controlling you? Guys, master the balance and you master the market. If this opened your eyes, please ensure you hit that like button. please drop a comment with your worst or best experience with grid, and subscribe for more powerful trading insight. Guys, subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload new videos. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please ensure you share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv so that they don't miss out. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.